The next step of this project is to calculate your net pay, or how much money you actually get to take home. The gross pay is how much the employer pays you. However, because of Social Security and taxes and other withholdings, you do not actually receive 100% of your paycheck. So even though you're making a certain amount, your paycheck is going to actually be less. The amount of money that you get to take home will not be that full amount. So let's think about this. 100% of the salary is paid to you. However, 30% is withheld, meaning taken away. What percent do you receive? 70%. So for the net pay, you are going to take. So in order to find the take-home pay or the net pay, you are going to take all of your salaries from your gross pay, all of the numbers from the last table, and you are going to multiply them by 70%. Now we know 70% is really 70 out of 100, which is 0.7 or 7/10 of a decimal. So for the net pay table, you will take the numbers that you had from the gross table. In year 0, our first year, we would be making $47,900 as a first-year teacher in Upper St. Clair. We are going to multiply this by 0.7. So go ahead and use your calculator. Type this in. Multiply 47,900 by 0.7, and I would find out that in my first year, I will actually take home $33,530. Still good, but way different from what I thought I was making. So again, year 1 now, 1 year into my raise, that's really technically my second year working, I would have made $48,858 is my gross pay. Again, take that and multiply it by 0.7 because that represents keeping 70% of your paycheck. And we are rounding to the nearest dollar here. So this one comes out to $34,200.60. I'm going to go ahead and round that to $34,201. I'm going to erase that 0 and make it $1. So just round it to the nearest dollar. Since we have 60 cents, we'll be making about that. Again, I'll do one more. So where am I getting this? In year 2, it's technically my third year of working, by my second raise, I would take the numbers from my gross table, the table before, and I would multiply that by 0.7. This one would come out to 34,884.5. So go ahead and round that. That's going to be $34,885. You will do this continuing the same process for all the other years, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 to get your amount. Just to make, if you want to try it, make sure you're getting this correct. For my last one, I got $40,072 after rounding. Hope this helps for the net pay.